HP LaserJet Enterprise M607, M608, M609 13, B2, 13, B9, rear door and fusor area paper jam. Use the following procedure to clear paper jams in the rear door and fusor area. When a jam occurs, the control panel displays one of the following messages and an animation that assists in clearing the jam. Pull tray 2 completely out of the printer by pulling and lifting it up slightly. Remove any jammed or damaged paper. Reinsert and close the tray. Access the rear of the printer. Open the rear door. Remove any jammed paper. Remove the fusor by grabbing the two side latches and pulling the fusor straight out of the printer. Caution: the fusor can be hot while the printer is in use. Wait for the fusor to cool before handling it. Remove any jammed paper from the fusor opening. Reinstall the fusor. Raise the secondary transfer assembly and look for any paper or fragments underneath. Raising the transfer assembly. Lower the tray 2 roller access cover. Verify that the tray 2 separation roller is securely against the right side of the roller shaft. Close the tray 2 roller access cover. Close the rear door.